Hello. Today I'm going to show you the lights and the vision in the exterior lights of your Audi A1 or A1 Sportback. Have a seat at the driver's side. Turn the ignition on. You do not have to start the engine like me now, but I am going to start because of the full time showing here. This is the light switch. And there are so many different things. In this case, you can turn on the lights in different things to use. There's one setting, there's another, that is the side lights. And the third thing, and of course, you have here the flashlights for turn signal right and turn signal left, as you can see. But this is a lever under your steering wheel. Here you can see, push it on the right side, then you can turn to the right side. Of course, this is the side lights, and if you are switching the lever for the turn signal at one of the sides and you will shut down your system, the side lights will be enabled on the side you are going to set with your flashlight. That means if you push the right lever position, that means flashlight on the right side, and you will set to side lights, the right side will be on. Oh, that is the right thing. The next thing is the dimming headlights. This is the next setting. The dimming headlights, that means you have switch on your front lights and your rear lights. And of course, the interior light is on too at the cockpit. There it is. This is all of the lights inside your car interior. The dimming headlights you have to use if you're going with your car in the dark or in foggy situation or in the morning light, for example. But there's more. You can use the front fog lights. That means you can set the dimming headlights and then pull the trigger of these light switches. That means first step is front fog lights, and the second stage is the rear fog light. That means the rear fog lights and the front fog lights are for foggy weather, and you do not have to use the front fog lights because not every Audi has this. I did not have this. As you can see, I can only use the rear fog lights. But this is the way you can switch it on. I pull the light switch out of the socket. And there is one more option. That means it is an automatic way. This is the first setting is O, lights off on vehicles for some markets. That means that in some vehicles the daytime running lights are switched on, or the light switch is in this position and the ignition is switched on. That means there are only small lights are on. This is the beam light. The beam light you can go to if you push your flashlight lever through the front. And the beam light is on. And if you pull it, you have the instant beam light for a couple of seconds. And if you go to switch to auto, I do not have auto, then it's the automatic headlights. And there are more what you can do. The light switch with headlight orange control. That means you can adjust your front lights at the left. On the right side you can adjust your front lights a little bit up and down. And on the left side, that is the light switch, what your color brightness is there. You can dim it a little bit or you can switch it up. And the Rangecontrol Headlight, this is the right switch. If you're heavy loaded, you have to push the range control to a different status than you're empty. But get back to the automatic headlight switch. If you're switching this on, the automatic according to the ambient light conditions. On vehicles with integrated daytime running lights, the daytime running lights or the dipped headlights are switched on automatically, depending on the ambient light level. This option, my car does not have this function. Sorry, I can't show you this. But there it is. This is the inner brightness of your cockpit style. That means there's no level for your dipped headlights, for example. It is only the cockpit side. Here you can see we dimmed it a little bit and then we go up with the color or with the brightness, not with the color. The color is every time the same. So there it is, all your lights and vision. That was switching lights on and switching lights off. And the O thing is to switch it off. And if you switch it off, you can leave your car. And if you go to automatic, this is the automatic way. There are something more, side lights. This is for if you rest your car and pull the handbrake, ignition off, and then you will see a dimmed side lights. And the dipped headlights option is for the front lights and the rear lights if you drive in the afternoon. Here you can see, there's the side lights. Easy, as you can see. And the front fog lights is for foggy moments, and it's a front side fog light. This you have to pull. If you pull twice, this is the rear fog light. This is the back side. In foggy afternoon weather, you can use this option. You can see there's only one switch, and in this switch you can make so many different options. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give a positive feedback, and see you next time. So.